So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add reflection to images here in Microsoft Word. So once you have your document opened up, go to the top left here in between Home and Draw, press on Insert. Then once you're here, go ahead to where it says Pictures right here, press on the drop down, and then select either a photo from your photo browser, file, stock images, or online pictures. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select online pictures, but this can be whatever photo you want. It doesn't really matter. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and press an example of how about just like a background right here for demonstration purposes. I'll just go ahead and select this background right here, then press on Insert. Now, once you have your photo selected, make sure you press on the image, then go to this top bar right here to where all these different options are. And where it says picture effects, so for me, it's right below picture format, press on picture effects, press on the drop down, then go about three options down to where it says reflection. Hover over top of that, then go to the right hand side. And then you can actually reflect it a whole bunch of different ways. So you can sort of reflect it this way if you want a full reflection, just like that. So as you can tell, the photo was reflected. You can go ahead and sort of partially reflect it as well. Maybe something like this, for example, is what you're looking for. But play around with it, whatever works. It's completely up to you. But that is pretty much how to add reflection to images here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.